we got this. Come over here, come over here, come over here. Come over here. Look at the food, honey. Okay, we gotta show the people right there, you know? Got this right here. Get whatever brand of crust you want. I put hold on. I gotta show them what they're doing in case they want to make it at the house, man. Look, we got some masola, you know. I didn't have olive oil, so I put that. If you have olive oil, put olive oil. Now I'm putting the sauce. We're using mozzarella cheese, the fresh right here, you know. 1882. Make sure it's 1882. If it's not 1882, don't get it. And then we got this one right here, you know. Baby, you gotta show all the ingredients so they know what they're doing.
That cheese is 10 years old.
This was 10 years old? Oh, it says 10 months.
Oh.
10 months. Not, this is unedited, unedited.
10 months old.
Hold on, come on. You gotta get a better angle of the food, honey. Look at the pizza sauce. This is the pizza sauce.
Is that what you're gonna put the sauce on?
Yeah, that's what this is. Okay, so we started late. So, but let's continue.
I think that's a lot of sauce.
You think that's a lot of sauce?
Yeah.
I think that's a perfect amount of sauce, honey. I'm the chef. Okay, so we're gonna make sure it's coated evenly. You don't want it to taste like Pizza Hut. See what I'm saying? You know what? We're gonna take some sauce out. Because there was a lot of sauce. You're right, baby, you're right. Alright. Hey, you know people are asking me for more videos? People are asking me for more videos, honey. And I haven't gave it to them in like 9 months. Okay. Come on, it's getting all over the edges. Alright, we got that. Okay, how was that, baby? Alright. No, what do you think?
It's good.
Alright. Alright, it looks good. Alright, we're good. We're done with that. No, we could. Let's leave that out. Okay. Now we gotta this bowl. We're gonna grate this cheese right here. The Parmesan. Well, we're using 2 cheeses, you know.
You should use a plate.
A plate? I was gonna just. Oh, you know what? You're right. I haven't cooked in months. My fan base, they know.
Plate.
Oh shit! Hold on.
Okay.
My fan base knows, honey. So come over here. All right, we're grating this cheese now. We're gonna use. Let's see. No, let's test this out. Let's test this out. Oh yeah, this is it. We're using this, babe. Zoom in so they know what side to use, baby. Look, it has 4 sides. I'll clean that up. Don't worry about it. Don't use the big one because you're gonna get a chunky pizza. You don't want that. Hon, I'll pick it up right now. Don't step on it though. All right, we got this.
Don't grate the plastic.
No. We don't want that flavor. Parmesan. Okay. We're gonna get a little more. Hold on.
Do you want to put Parmesan on the pizza?
Yes.
Like, while it bakes?
Yeah. We're doing 2 cheese pizza. Oh, don't get your finger. I almost cut myself, guys. Be careful. Are you sure we can't grate this on here?
No, you feel it. It's like putty. You pull it.
Damn. Alright, so guys, for next time, just if you're gonna get the cheese, get the one in the bag that's already cut. You don't want to deal with this, but trust me.
It's fun.
We might have to cut the video right here because it's gonna take too long. So we're just gonna do this?
Yeah.
All right. So just, you know,
You could get globs of it.
it's there we go. Look at this. Look at this, guys.
Can I have some?
Yeah. Yeah, try it, see if it's good.
Let's see.
Wow, guys, you see what I'm saying? Look it.
That's delicious.
It's always better to get the one that's already grated, you know, but
Taste it. Tastes like string cheese.
this is basically string cheese, guys. We're making a string cheese pizza.
But not as salty. Tastes like a sweet cheese.
So we're putting, you know. Hold on, let me just.
Yeah. See, that's what you do.
Hold on, I'm bleeding.
What'd you do?
I cut myself with a cheese grater
When
when I was grating the parm.
So you have blood in the cheese. Like
No, there's
blood
no
right
no
there.
blood in the cheese, guys. There's no blood. That's not blood. That's pizza sauce. So okay, guys, hold on. I have to wash my hands and
Put a band-aid.
I'm gonna put a band-aid on. Baby, can you pause the video?
Do you want the glove?
Yeah, go pause the video. Pause the video.
Here.
Okay.
Or you continue putting cheese.
Babe, that's why I told you to pause it. Okay, guys. Hold on, I have to. Babe, you can't show them this. They can't know.
This looks good.
My glove ripped already. What size is this?
Just pull it up.
Oh my gosh. Dude. Let me get a band-aid. Alright. What is this?
Your glove, you threw it on the floor.
Okay, guys. Okay, we're gonna continue. If you're cooking for people, wear a glove. I'm doing this because it's for me and my girlfriend. So, yeah.
Am I not a person?
No, you're a person, babe. But you know exactly. You know, there's no blood in the food, so we're good. You know.
I don't know that.
Are you gonna eat?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're good. You know. Alright, guys. Hold on. We see this is taking so long, bro.
That's because you try to make it so neat, but it's just cheese.
Okay, it's gonna melt anyways, guys. So, you know, I'm trying not to make it so long. I know you guys, hun. Look at the food. It's like dissolving Play-Doh, guys. Basically, so I would recommend you just get the cheese that already comes grated in the bag, because this process is. It's not. It's just easier if you get the one that's already grated.
I think that's a lot of cheese.
You think there's a lot of cheese?
Yeah.
Hun, I think what is going on right here. Okay, see? Hold on. There's some spaces you gotta cover up.
Yeah, when it melts, it's gonna cover those up.
Okay, then we're gonna throw some of this on here. You know what?
I don't know what the cooking temperature for Parmesan is.
You know what? We're gonna save the parm. Hold on, come over here, babe. Can you look at the? Oh, you're looking at the food. We're gonna save the parm for after, so we'll put it on top of the pizza. You know, so because I feel like this is a lot of cheese.
Yeah.
I'm a chef, you know, but don't listen to what I do here.
Do you want to add ham?
No, had ham. Baby, are you serious?
Yeah, ham and pepperoni.
No, this is a pepperoni pizza. The people don't want to see ham. You guys could add whatever you want, you know, but. Okay, I'm opening the pepperonis now. If I could get them open. This motherfucking bag, bro. So, man, babe, I have kids watching this. I can't be cursing. Man. I don't know what they used to seal this, but
You just cut it off?
oh, it smells pretty good. Baby, smell that? It smells a lot though, like sausage.
Oh, smells good.
But it smells good. So we're gonna be putting on some pepperonis, guys. The pizza's not that big. It's
How
like
many pepperonis are you gonna do per slice?
per slice. Well, we just going crazy with it, baby. You know, you ever get a pizza that has like 10 pepperonis? It's like depressing. Okay, there's around 25 pepperonis in here. If you guys want to pause the video and count, go ahead. I think it's around 25. Alright. So now, this is going in the oven. Hold on, come over here, baby. They gotta preheat the oven. Wait, the little thing is broken. Don't show them that. We preheated the oven to like 375, 400. So we're gonna do like 8 minutes. Look how good that looks.
Are you sure you don't want to add any peppers?
No, that's amazing. Look at that. Alright, we're putting it in. Alright, there we go. Perfect. We're gonna leave it in there for like 8 minutes and then we're gonna check it out.
Want to set Alexa?
Alright guys, we're gonna take the pizza out of the oven now. This is my first time making pizza again, you know, I'm not... Oh, look at that. That actually looks good. Look at that.
Do you think the crust is done?
Oh, make sure when you take it out, don't burn yourself. Have like a little... We have this little...
We call it a hot pot.
I don't know what we call it, but it's supposed to protect from the heat. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that pepperonis. Look at the pepperonis twerking.
What?
What? Baby, look at the pizza. Don't look at the pizza. Don't look at me. Look at the pizza. Look at that. We had a little spill right here, but that's all good. Babe, this looks good. What do you think?
It's good. I want to see the bottom.
You want to see the bottom? Okay, let's see. Alright. Let's see what the bottom looks like. I mean, it doesn't
look any different.
No, it doesn't look any different. It looks...
Yeah, it's toasty. It's toasty.
You know, so we're just going to let it sit and... Yeah, this is my pizza. Do you want to put the cheese now? Mm-hmm. Or do you want to cut it?
You put the cheese.
Alright.
Or do you want... Oh, I don't know. If you
no, I'll put the cheese. I'm down. Okay, guys. Then we're going to sprinkle this Parmesan cheese that I had cut. Oh, this is going to be bomb. Baby, we need a really good thumbnail. So, babe, we gotta get like some boom. Boom, there we go. That's my pizza right here. You know, let it sit. We're gonna cut it in a bit. Yeah, I actually like the picture. I liked it without the Parmesan, but I know this is gonna taste a lot better. Look at it's even melting already. All right, guys. If you enjoyed the video, wait, I have to put a disclaimer, honey, because I'm not a real chef. So what I do is it might not be the best. How do you explain it?
The right way to.
It might not be the right way to do things.
But it's the way you do.
But it's the way I do it. So, and this is how it comes out, guys. So do it how I do it if you want your food to look like this. You know? But yeah, I'm not a real chef, so be careful when using sharp things. I cut myself. I think, babe, have I cut myself in every video? Okay, not all of them, but so you know, just be careful, guys. But yeah, this is our pizza. Let me try to cut it real quick. I don't want to burn myself because I know this thing is hot still. But no, we'll cut it after. Okay, so this is the video. If you enjoyed, I'll be making. What should I make after, hon? What should I make? I might make burgers. I don't know. Somebody was requesting a new video, so that's why I made it. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm about to grab, and I'll see you guys in my next video.